subscribe, and like the video. Shot.
Hey, what's up?
The square. The vest part of the shirt. This. Then you got put add designs to it for. What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another video. Today I'm finna show y'all how to make a mock-up with Adobe Illustrator. You can use this mock-up all the time. You can change the colors on it. So let's get into it. If y'all ain't already follow my Instagram, the link is gonna be in the bio. Y'all can watch interviews on there. I be doing funny skits and shit on Instagram. Go tap in with my TikTok. All right, let's get into it. Like the video and subscribe if y'all mess with it. But all right, I'm finna show y'all. First, we're gonna go to Adobe Illustrator. Okay. Wait, no, never mind. We're gonna go to Safari. I forgot to say subscribe and like the video if y'all fuck with me. All right, and then all right, let's get into it. First, you want to go to Safari, look up what type of mock-up you want. Right now, I looked up some t-shirt mock-ups. All I gotta do, get a mock-up, look at the t-shirt that you want a mock-up of. Take a screenshot. I'm finna show you how to make a digital mock-up. Okay, you want to save files. Alright, then we'll go to Adobe Illustrator. Alright, if y'all don't got Adobe, you should get it. That shit will help your whole brand out. You can design logos on there from scratch. Everything. Get Adobe, I'm telling you. Alright, so then you want to create a file. Really don't matter what size, unless you're trying to make like a logo. Alright, so then you want to click the picture. You want to go to files, go to recent, then you want to click that screenshot. Okay, we got the screenshot picture on there. Now you want to lock the layers, add a new layer. Now we're finna trace. We're finna use the shape tool. We're gonna make a square over the t-shirt. Okay, lower it. Now you wanna click the tool right here to get the t-shirt. Alright. You wanna move it. Move this. Like that. This like that. You wanna add a point right here. Move this point. Make it a curve. And so we just using the pen tool to trace this. So after we got the vest part of the shirt, now we got to do the rest. So we're gonna create this part. This is all you gotta do is this. Okay, we completed that. Alright, since we have this part, all you gotta do is duplicate it. Alright, since we have this part, all you gotta do is duplicate it. So what you wanna do, okay, you do this, then you got duplicate it. Got your second piece. You wanna click this over here. You wanna click that, then you wanna flip it. Flip it. Don't stretch it out. You want to bring it down over here. After you bring it down, since this one is a little, stretch it out. Alright, so now we gotta make the collar. But before you do that, we're gonna add strokes to it, alright? So we gonna click this button. We're gonna click the stroke button. Click 1. Put it to like 4 stroke. Same thing with this one, put it like 4. You see it's coming in. Same thing with this one. I'm gonna put 4. See, you see the shirt coming in. Then now we gotta do the collar. So with this, I would just get the pen tool again. Click this. And then pop it out. Alright, you see we got the collar. Now you want to do the back part. Trace. And there you go. Here goes your t-shirt. You can change the colors by selecting it, click the color, make it red, make it pink, select it, make it pink, or whatever color you like. And then you can also resell these, add designs to it for your clothing brand, take pictures of it, use it for your shop. And if y'all want to see more videos how to do stuff like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Peace out.